Sanjay? How about at the Small Business Administration? I know there's a whole lot of information that's being pushed out there. Tell us about the state of the state.
Yeah, good afternoon, Luke, and thank you for having me back on your show.
My pleasure.
Always fun to be here. Yes, I mean, data is what I call is the currency of the digital world. And why that is important is because increasingly we are leveraging data to drive the decision making, and we're using data in terms of predictive analytics. We're using data in terms of prescriptive analytics. Of course, we've always been using data in the sort of the traditional formats of reporting, as it's described as descriptive and diagnostic analytics. So at the SBA, we have continued to use all four types of analytics. Clearly, we are less in the predictive and prescriptive analytics arena, more in the traditional descriptive and diagnostic analytics arena, but we are certainly seeing an increase going into the predictive and prescriptive side. So for example, in the last year and a half, obviously, we have had an explosion of data that we at the SBA have had to deal with. And so we've increasingly been relying on prescriptive and predictive analytics, meaning specifically we're using algorithm-based decision support systems for our credit processing, credit risk monitoring, some of the other loan programs, and being able to leverage data in a more rich and a more holistic manner. And certainly this is, I think, a trend that's going to continue to grow from my perspective.